Hi again.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a free Twilio account and connect it securely to n8n step by step. Let's jump right in. Start by searching Twilio on Google or go to twilio.com. Click Start for Free, enter your name, email, and password. No credit card needed. Verify your email with the code you receive, then verify your phone number by entering the SMS code sent to you. Once verified, set your account name and confirm your billing country.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, so go ahead and hit that button.
Choose Developer and select SMS or WhatsApp to personalize your dashboard. In the Twilio console, scroll to Account Info. Copy your account SID, reveal your auth token, and keep the page open. Open n8n, create a workflow, add the Twilio node, and click Create New Credential. Paste in your account SID and auth token, click Save, and you're fully connected. Your n8n workflow can now automate SMS, WhatsApp, and calls instantly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more automation guides.